Okay, so where we would have gone, what we would have said, how much interest has his investment earned? And we're talking about simple interest in this one, aren't we? So the interest for that formula is this, where P equals $7,500. Yeah? I is 11% or 0.11. And he had it in from the 1st of July to the September the 19th, so N is a fraction of a year. And how many days was that? 81 days. Okay, so the amount of interest there is 7,500 times by 0.11 times by 81 over 365. And that would give you the amount of interest, yeah? Which is $183.08. $183.08. Okay? So in total, how much interest has he earned? Has his investment earned? He's earned at least $183.08 at this stage, but we've got a little bit more. Because on the September 19, he deposits another $4,900. So on the day of September 19th, how much money has he got in that account? How much? Sorry? He's got that, yeah. What else has he got in that account at the moment? Right. Anything else? So he could definitely have them. All right. Read the question. Could he have anything else in that account? Read the question carefully. Could he have anything else in that account? That's that, isn't it? So you think no? Okay. So let's replace Warren with you. You go into a bank and you give them $7,500 on July 1st. It was in that account, okay? And on September 19th, you deposit a little bit more. So on September 19th, how much has the bank got of your money? Sorry? What's both of them? What are you calling them, Charlotte? That's all. Yeah, give me the values. What are they? What are the amounts? What are the 7,500? So at September 19, the bank's got 7,500 of your dollars. Have they got any more? How much? 4,900. Have they got any more of your money? Is that money? 11%. Is that a dollar value? No. Is there any other dollar value that could be your money? Okay. This is where the issue is. Can we just have a bit of quiet back there, people, please? This interest is your money. Remember what we've said all along. If you loan someone money, which you're doing at the moment, you're depositing money into a bank, you're putting it into the bank, you're giving them 7,500. Then Tani comes in, she needs 7,500, so they give her your 7,500. You don't get every dollar that you ever gave them back again. Okay? She goes off, she does whatever she needs to. They've got, in a way, your 7,500, but they've used that to make more money. Okay? On September 19, you get your 7,500 back, but because you gave them the privilege of using your money, you get a little bit more back. Yeah. So you're getting that plus a little bit more because it's a thank you for lending us 7,500. So the interest is yours. If you choose to take that out completely at that time, you don't just get 7,500 back, but you get 7,500 plus another $183.08. Does that make sense with the interest?
Yeah.
The interest is yours. You own it. And that's because you loan the bank. So the other bit of money you have is $103.08 at September 19. So all up, how much have you got? All up, that bank account now has $12,583.08 on September 19. Okay, so how much have you got on September 19 in the bank? What is that amount? Okay, on September 19, just as we wrote there, on September 19 you have $12,583.08 in the bank. Okay, and you're now going to leave it in the account until December 20th. And then you're going to withdraw absolutely everything. What do you think the next step would be? On December 20, are you going to get $12,583.08 back? Why not?
Because you get interest.
Okay, how much interest? You're right.
183.
At the end of at the end of September, you got 183. That's already given to you. What do you get at the end of December?
Do you just do like the same process and get the...
Absolutely, you do the same process. Interest equals PIM. What's your P?
Is it
$12,853.08. What's your I?
11.
What's your N? So many days over 365. When you work that out, Charlotte, you'll get the interest amount that you incurred until there, which goes up here, yeah? They connect. That'll give you your total interest earned, and then find the total that Warren has withdrawn. The total he withdraw is the $12,583.08 plus the interest that he earned. Okay? All right with that?
Yeah.
Yeah? Wonderful. Give it a go, then we can go through it after that. That's the important thing. Give it a go, because then you'd know what you know and understand what you don't know.